This is Group E. Our project is the sneaker price comparison tool. Currently, investment on sneakers has become such a big hit among the young people. A pair of Li-Ning's Wave 4 All-Star Silver White, originally priced at 1,499 yuan, was bidding up to 48,889 yuan on the Poison app, up 31 times. More reports say that there were shoe speculators swept more than 100,000 goods at a breath, earning back the money of a car. The efficiency of making money is very amazing. This widespread phenomenon that has made the sneaker price fluctuate just like the stock market. For example, the sneakers with the same style, same size, but has different prices on different platforms. And even on one platform, the same style but different sizes may have different prices. So in order to help the consumer conveniently buy their ideal sneakers with a lower price, the sneaker price comparison tool can be used to compare different sneaker prices in different platforms.
Okay, it's now my turn to talk about the program logic. First, we salute the request problem in MacBooks, and then we send requests to the catalog website in order to get the names of the shoes, and then we translate the shoes names to URL informations so that we can get informations from the specific shoe. And then we send requests to the corresponding website of each shoes to get the HTML of each shoes, and we can advancedly get the information needed, such as size and corresponding price of each size, of course. And then we process the data we get from the two websites, and then we store those data in kind of like an Excel form. And for the packages used, we first use SSL to solve the request problem in Mac. And then we use a URL lead request, which is very powerful, to send requests to the catalog website and get the information from those websites. And then we use BS4, which is Beautiful Soup 4, to get the names of the shoes and get some information needed, like size and price. And after that, we use pandas to process the data and store them. And then we use RE to format the information. And then for the logical statement used, we simply use three kinds of logical statements. First, for loop, we use it to get the data more efficiently. And then we use if conditions, which is, I think it's compulsory. And for try catch, because we find that there's some problem to get information from StockX because sometimes the website will prevent us to get some information, so that we need to use error to check whether there's a problem to get the information of the shoes.
So now we get two data frame, and then we choose these two data frame to the Excel and to the corresponding Excel, because maybe we can get more website data, and maybe there are many different times we will get data, so we can store it in different Excel and or the same or the different sheet in the same Excel, and in the next time we can call it very easily. So after we set the database, we can enter the search part. When you search with inputting keywords and size, the program search will search the shoes price whose name contains the keyword, and in specific size. It will return the different price in different website. And after compare the price of different website, we can get a suggestion which website the customers should choose. So enter the specific code. First, we read the database, and then we search it, and then we transfer the result to data frame, and we print the output, and the output is just like this part. But it's very difficult for user to run the Python in their own computers. So we try to use Telegram to implement to make this function more easily to use. So we set a set message function, a set message Python, where when the user sends the keyword and size in the keyword size for through the Telegram worksheets, it will call the search function and then return our search result. We just use teleport to implement it. So we can just try in the Telegram and show it more specific. When we enter the worksheet board, we're trying to find just like a slide, and we enter the file is our size. And then we will get the result. There are two shoes, slide call and slide pure, which contain the slide keywords, and then the price in two website is as following, and we compile the price automatically and send the suggestion to the customers. So that's the programming part we have achieved now. But we still have exist some questions when we try to run our code. The first one is when we try to get HTML from the website, like catalog website. Sometimes can only run until 20 pages and then be forbid by the website. Maybe the stock choice or very big website, and when they find someone try to get data from it, they forbid me. So, and the other one is send message to the user. Because the result returned by the search function, we set it as data frame because it's very easy to store it and very clear. But when we try to change it to screen to send to the user, it's very difficult and complicated to form it. So maybe we can find another direct transfer way. That's for the program part.
We also have our further ideas. First, more websites. We can get information from more websites and then do the comparing. Second, more time. We can get information continuously and then get price every day. Store in the same Excel and different sheets. Set index average when user try to get the price. Give some suggestions about whether it's a good time to buy. And third, we can connect to the exchange rate and regional differences. The currency in these two websites we choose from is different. Then, when the price is very close, the price of expensive shoes may influence by the exchange rate. The tendency in different regions exists differences. This leads to some shoes are expensive in Hong Kong but relatively cheap in mainland Taiwan or other countries. Besides, we only focus on the horizontal comparison. We just compare the sneaker price of different platforms. So what can be further improved is that we can have vertical comparison. We can change the sneaker price just like the stock price. We may record the price in a longer period such as 30 days, then calculate its mean value and draw its trend line. In this way, next time when the consumer want to buy the sneakers, they can compare the current price with the past average price to decide whether it's the right time to purchase. And besides, they can predict the future prices based on the trend line to find the good time of purchasing. And that's the end. Thank you for your listening.